Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be discussing how Taurus moms. Today I'll be telling you what kind of traits do these Taurus moms have and how is their behavior towards their children. So if your mom has a Taurus zodiac sign, you have to see this video so that you'll get to know your mom even better. These Taurus moms are very emotional and very sentimental, but they're not strict. Unlike the Aries mothers, they are very strict, but Taurus mothers are not that strict at all. You will see these Taurus mothers most of the time keep nannies and babysitters for their children because Taurus moms are sometimes a little lazy. Taurus mothers are very artistic, they are very creative. If you see, you'll find these Taurus moms sitting with their kids and teaching them how to draw, how to paint, they'll be teaching them how to sing. These are the mothers who love seeing their children on screen. Like the mothers who are very excited when their kid is dancing in a dance show or her kid is singing in the singing show. These are the mothers who love their children to be creative and artistic. They love when their children participate in dancing and singing and paintings, and they are all about creativity. And Taurus moms, being very emotional and very sentimental, they can sit with their kids for hours and hours and they can have a very good conversation with their children. They can be very good friends with their children because they are able to understand their children. They are able to understand the emotional side of their children. But sometimes these Taurus moms can be very demanding, but they are not demanding or dominant like the Aries mothers. These are the kind of mothers who can get things done from their children in a very emotional way. Like they'll be playing some emotional drama, they'll cry a little and then they'll tell you what they want, and then they get things done from their children in this way. Taurus mothers are very calm. Like you'll not find these mothers interfering much in their children's life, or dominating much or telling them what to do and what not to do. You'll always find them letting them free to go out and play. And these kind of mothers are little they like the me time, to do the creativity and artistic things because they themselves are into creativity. So these are the kind of moms who love the me time. And so you'll not find them interfering much into her children's life, like do this, do that. Never. A Taurus mom gives her children that space. Kind of mothers who love watching daily soaps, you'll find them, like if they're sitting in the house with their kids, you'll find them teaching their kids how to dance on a particular song and all. So these kind of mothers love to get decked up for parties. They love getting ready. They are the trendy ones. They stay updated with the latest trends. And so do they like their children to stay updated with the latest trends. Like for example, they are going for a party and the like mother like daughter theme, and all these kind of mothers love those kind of things. They're very artistic, they're very creative, and when they're going out for a party, they'll make sure that they are decked up and their children are also decked up in a very beautiful way, like those ribbons and the bows and the bells and all. So these mothers are very creative, and then they show the creativity through their children too. They teach their children how to get things in an easy way. Sometimes the Taurus mothers, one negative trait I've seen in most of the Taurus mothers is they don't like their children working hard. They cannot see their own child working hard, and then she will get the children used to the comfort, the luxuries, and so that they can go to such an extent that they can even spoil their child by giving them the latest gadgets and the latest things, and which is not good for the children. That is because they are so creative and because they like to stay updated with the latest trend, they don't understand sometimes that the children need to some things you don't have to give them, or you have to give them a few things at the right age. So Taurus mothers are emotional, they are sentimental, they are over caring, but yeah, sometimes this can even spoil your child. But as I always say, mothers are mothers after all. They love their children in every single way. But this is just the qualities which a Taurus mother has. So this was it. This was all about the Taurus mother. So guys, if you've liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.